ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
And in terms of our forecast for Easter Sunday, we're going to see more of the same. This beautiful weather that we've had so far this weekend. And of course, that starts with those conditions right now. San Diego at 58 degrees. Lots of moisture in the air with that humidity at 90%. A light breeze coming from the northwest at 12 miles per hour. And over the next few hours, we're going to see those similar conditions. Perfect for going to Gaslamp, although we are a little bit overcast. We're going to dip into those lower 50s over the next few hours. And then we're going to see that sunlight return as soon as we get into late tomorrow morning. A similar story for those inland communities. However, expect some upper 40s right around those times when many of us may be waking up. But the outlook for Easter Sunday itself looks beautiful. San Diego reaching 65 degrees rather. Inland communities reaching 75, mountains 72, and our desert communities reaching into the low 90s. Now we're going to see a bit of breeze tomorrow throughout East County, but we're also going to notice something for the coastal and inland communities, and that is going to be a lot of fog. Now that's going to come in the morning. So just take a look at the progression over the morning hours. It starts to clear out by the time we get to 9 to 10 a.m. But there are some spots, especially around 6 to 9 a.m., where the visibility is going to drop to a quarter mile or less. You need to be very careful with those driving conditions. Then that's going to clear out as we get later into the day, and then we're going to see that same level of fog return once again for Monday. So overall, a beautiful Easter Sunday. We're not really going to notice any big changes until later in the week. The Futurecast shows us that we have pressure building, lots of warm air, then a cool air mass, a low pressure system start to move towards us, and that's going to arrive by Thursday. That's going to spell out pretty big changes for our 7-day forecast. We can see the temperature dropping, a slight chance of showers. But quickly circling back to Easter Sunday to help you plan out your day a little better, we can see really the timing of everything broken down. We're going to wake up, we're going to feel pretty cool in those lower 50s. Again, lots of fog, so be careful on those roads tomorrow morning. And then by noon, we have cleared up. We've gotten to 65 degrees, feeling pretty warm. And that daily high is going to just kind of linger throughout the afternoon as we get to 4 p.m., going to feel really pleasant. Then for sunset, that is at 7:14 tomorrow, we're going to be at about 62 degrees. And now one thing we are also noticing, of course, is the chance of showers that come this coming Thursday and Friday. Now, this is not supposed to be a huge rainmaker. The coming storm's really going to get to us pretty slowly, and then most areas are expected to get less than a quarter of an inch. That's certainly the case for San Diego, which might only see around 1/10 of an inch. The only spots that could potentially break that amount would be in North County, specifically in some of those mountain communities. So we're not going to see a whole lot of that. And speaking of all the rain we've gotten, we have also gotten another U.S. drought monitor update. The recent one has been a little more modest than previous ones because we haven't had as many storms, but just look back to October, 94% of the state in severe drought. Now, not only do we have less than 1% of the state with severe drought or worse, but we have more than half the state with no drought at all. So we've made remarkable progress over the winter, and of course, we can hope that that's going to continue. Of course, we are entering a dry spell. Right now, we're in one of the longer dry stretches that we've had so far for the year. In the communities, into the 70s until we cool down, and then just in those upper 50s. Into the mountains, expecting lots of breeze over the next few days. Stronger winds with the coming storm later in the week. A similar situation in the desert, but very hot, reaching right near 100 degrees for Monday.